Did you know that about 95% of traders in India end up losing money? Crazy, right? And a lot of time that's because they fall for common myths that can seriously mess with their trading game. So, today we are diving deep to break this myth, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are tackling a topic that affects trader of all levels: trading myths. Whether you are just starting out or have been trading for years, you have probably heard some wild stories about what it takes to be successful in the market. It's crucial to address this misconception because they can hold you back from reaching your full potential. Let's get started. So, what are some of these common trading myths? One big one is the idea that you need to be an expert to trade. This belief can be really scary, especially for beginners who feel like they need to master everything before they even start. Another popular misconception is that trading is just gambling. This mindset can lead to a reckless approach, thinking that it's all about luck rather than the strategy. When traders buy into these myths, they often set themselves up for failure. It's like trying to run marathon without trading. You are just not prepared. This misconception can seriously hinder success, and that's what we are here to change. Let's break down these myths one by one. First off, the idea that you need to be an expert. In reality, successful trading is more about developing a solid strategy and continuously learning. There are plenty of resources out there, from book to online courses that can help you build your knowledge over time. You don't need a PhD in finance to get started. Next, let's talk about the gambling comparison. Trading involves less, sure, but it's not just throwing your money at a stock and hoping for the best. It's about analyzing data, understanding market trends, and making informed decisions. Many successful traders use solid risk management techniques to minimize losses and maximize gains. And how about the myth that you can get rich quickly? This one is so tempting, but it's also misleading. Most successful trader will tell you that it takes time, patience, and discipline to see significant returns. It's not about making a quick buck. It's about building wealth over time through smart trading practices and consistency. Now, here's the real kicker. The most surprising truth about trading that counters all this myth is that anyone can learn to trade successfully with the right mindset and resources. It's not about being a genius, it's about being willing to put in the effort. There are countless stories of everyday people who started with nothing and become successful traders through dedication and hard work. The key takeaway: you don't need to be an expert, and trading is not just gambling, it is a skill that you can develop over time. So, to recap, we have busted some major myths today. You don't need to be an expert to start trading. Trading is not just gambling, and there is no magic formula for getting rich quick. Instead, knowledge and strategy are your best friend in this game. By understanding the realities behind this myth, you are already taking a step toward becoming a more informed trader. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you fallen for any of these trading myths, or do you have your own experience to share? Drop a comment below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our next video. Thanks for watching and happy trading.